Hello, it's Thursday the 29th. I'm FX Plu and this is currencytransfer.com's market update. So the headlines are that sterling corrected after retail sales data disappoints, the dollar rallies on inflation data, and the ECB finds a €10 billion hole in the bad loan provisions. So the bad weather in the UK affected retail sales. The beast from the east stopped people going out to the shops, and retail sales fell for the first time in 5 months. It is likely that this is a short-term blip though. An expectation is for retail sales to return to positive figures next month. A minor setback for sterling as the markets wind down for the Easter holidays. Before the break though, there is still a couple of bits and pieces worth keeping an eye out for, as they may cause volatility, especially with the thinner trading conditions, as many traders may have already jacked it in for the long weekend. First up, Q4 GDP data. This carries downside risk for sterling. It's forecast to be unchanged at 1.4%, but any significant miss here may call into question an interest rate hike in May. Charlie on the chart says that this risk would challenge the support on cable at 140.60. So watch this space and cross your fingers for strong data there. Second off, the UK government may announce a plan proposed to solve the Brexit issue of the Irish border. The rumour has been circulating for a couple of days now, but we may see something announced before the weekend. Yesterday, cable touched a low of 140.70 and has remained around that point overnight, and sterling euro has been trading in a fairly narrow range between 114 and 114.50. In the US yesterday, Q4 GDP was revised up to 2.9%, which did bring a little respite for the dollar. The dollar index rose towards the 90.20 resistance level, touching 90.15. But lingering concerns over the trade war will probably keep a lid on dollar progress ahead of next month's non-farm payrolls early on April the 6th. And then yesterday, the ECB announced that they found a further €10 billion of bad loans during an audit, as you do. But when the size of the entire portfolio is close to €1 trillion, it's a drop in the ocean. Euro dollar did fall off, as one would expect, but remains above the strong support at 122.60. We'll keep you posted with anything that comes up during the day. If you've got any questions, do pop them in the comments below. #AskPlu and we'll get back to you. All the best.